How to remove clock on the lock screen on your Android device. What's up everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to easily remove clocks from your lock screen on your Android device. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. First thing first, you need to access your phone settings. Go ahead and open up your phone settings first. Once you get to your settings, scroll down until you see home screen layout, and just below that you'll see lock screen and always on display settings. Tap on it, and from here you are just going to edit your lock screen. If you don't see an option to edit your lock screen from here, just go back and head over to wallpaper and style. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and tap on your lock screen, and it will open up your lock screen settings and its whole layout. Now what you want to do is tap on your clock right here, and you'll find different options. And right at the end you will see this no clock options, and you can move it around if you want. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and tap on done right at the top right corner, and you should be good to go. So that's how you easily remove clock on your lock screen. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.